जागतिक एड्स दिसा निमतान उदांत ह्या सामाजीक क्षेत्रांत वावर करपी संघटनेन शिक्षणीक संस्थांक एकत्रीत करून कळंगुटीत वॉकेथॉन ही एड्स जागृताय मोहीम राबयल्ली। ह्या वॉकेथॉनाक उपसभापती मायकल लोबोन बावटो दाखोवन सुरवात केल्ली। आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
आपली सुरक्षा हीच आमच्या फॅमिलीची सुरक्षा। HIV आसा जिथे जीवनाचो नाश आसा तिथे।
Come on, speak up.
Charity in support of people who are living with HIV and AIDS. There are crores of families affected with HIV/AIDS in India. So today, you young people who are to act as responsible citizens, responsible future generation, to prevent or rather than stop HIV progressing further. We have had enough. Many people are suffering and we do not want more to join them.